Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead. Let's take Poppa some lunch and see what he's done. Wow, this folks, I brought you lunch. Ham and lettuce and mayo on 14 grain bread.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. I was just saying that, holy crap, we would like to park the coach down here, but we won't be able to for a couple years until this all settles. My goodness, Howard.
Jimmy's going to bring us a couple loads too. He's got to get rid of.
Good, awesome. Like clean fill.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we're going to go look at the garden and
Gracie.
I'm going to walk up and look at, I'm just going to go up to where the original fire pit was and do a pan around.
Very mucky, so yeah, just stay on the laneway.
At least it's cold enough to keep the black flies at bay, eh?
For now, yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy your lunch, love. Right. Take time to eat it, please.
I will.
All right. My pear tree is in full bloom. So are my daffodils and my blackcurrant bushes. Yay! We have to buy a lawnmower now because this is where my garden used to be and where it is again. And if you remember, this used to be all trees and ravine. And Daddy is filling it in. Here are my peppers. And all around the outside is, these, I don't know how these got pulled out. But all I did to plant them, folks, and I just went right into wet soil. Just like that. Red peppers, leeks, onions. My cabbages are under here. And leeks all along the outside. These are to my tomatoes. They just got planted yesterday. I haven't tied them to the stakes because they're not quite big enough yet. And they got a lovely rain last night. And here are my turnips, which have not started to grow yet, but they just got a good drenching last night. So we'll see some of them soon. And I also have some onions on either side of this bed. Papa's going to put 2 more beds for me, and then I'll plant my beans. That's beautiful soil. You get all the stumps out of that, it's going to be gorgeous soil. Years and years of rotting vegetation. And once he levels this, there'll be at least room for 2 tents at our pig roast. Fence posts and firewood. Well, this is where the fire pit was that we were sitting around. And look at the clearing that he's been doing. And he'll be on that bulldozer all day today and all day tomorrow, pulling stumps and pulling stumps and pulling stumps. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and we'll be doing another update in a couple of days, and I'll show you what else he's got done. Mwah! Take care, God bless.